Hey, this will be a video chart on BEHL. Been quite a while since I've done this one, but I've done it quite a few times in the past. I did a regular static annotated chart on it on this day right here, and I basically talked about how this could have been a capitulation day. What made me think that? Well, if you look at the candlestick form, a nice hammer candle, you combine that with the volume on the day. Huge volume, so it was one of these things where, maybe this is a capitulation. The sellers who finally wanted to get out are out. And so far, it's looking like that was the case. At least for the traders down here that bought the next day, they're making some good money. But for the people that care about kind of the longer term chart, so far so good. If you were trying to argue that this day right here represented capitulation, like I said, the hammer candle combined with the big volume, that made a pretty strong argument. Now you're getting kind of the evidence coming in with rising price action, and then today. Just a huge volume came in. You had nice price reaction that correlated with it, up over 50%. So what I want to do is kind of try to answer a few questions that I've been getting, and then kind of hopefully map out what's going on from the charting perspective. So the main question I got is, hey, is it reversing? Is this finally the reversal? And the short answer is no. You can't really say this is a reversal. Now you can say it is a bounce, and I would agree with that, but a lot of people, sometimes people forget about the steps that a chart has to take first. Remember, if any chart is gonna start to head back upwards, first it's got to just go sideways and consolidate, then it's got to bounce, and then it's got to reverse, and then it breaks out through higher highs. Right now, it's looking like we put in a bottom down here, so that was step one. Step two is we are bouncing, and now we need to see if this is going to be an official reversal. So, which brings up the obvious question of, well, how do we know if it's a reversal? And the way I like to kind of measure whether or not things are truly reversing is how they react on their first pullback. As much as all of us would want to see this continue to go straight up every day, that's just not reality of the stock market. Stocks and charts need to pull back. And with that being said, I'm going to be watching this level right here at 0.0053 as the key support level. If this is truly a strong move, and if this is truly going to reverse, then this level here really shouldn't have any problem holding strong on a pullback. This was a previous support, became a resistance, now it's back above it, so it is once again a support. You have the 20-day simple moving average, you have your 10-day simple moving average, and then you have this. So I guess in a nutshell what I'm trying to say is, if this is a genuine strong move, this level right here shouldn't have any problem holding. And the other reason is, with any sort of pullback, let's say it does come down here, we see it bounce around here, and then it heads back up. Now what we have are higher lows. We would have this area of lows down here, and then we would have this new one right here, which would obviously be higher than that one. And that right there gives us the ability to draw our uptrend line, which obviously is the name of the game. You make money by uptrends. So let me erase all this here. So just real quick in a nutshell, 0.005, what did I say, 53. That's going to be the key level. If the price comes down here to test it and the price just crashes right down through it, then all this was essentially a dead cat bounce. But if we can get some consolidation here and then another move upwards, then that's when I think you can start to talk about a reversal. But for right now, all you should really be talking about, or in my opinion at least, is just a bounce. Because yes, this is a bounce. Now it's just a question of whether or not this bounce has any sort of momentum behind it where it can consolidate healthy and then make higher highs. But overall, off to a great start after this capitulation day right here. So the rest of this week should be quite interesting. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free. I'd encourage you to check it out. We've been making some good money together. So head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was BEHL. Thanks for listening.